Hey, sorry. Kevin just called me.
Really, what did she tell you?
She was asking for you.
Oh, I haven't seen him lately.
I didn't know that.
Can you tell him something?
Sure. What is that?
No better, can you give me his number?
Sure, I can. Here it is.
Thank you. Can you help me with something?
Of course. Tell me.
I need to ask you some questions.
What is it for?
It's just a survey from my college.
All right. Let's do it.
Great. Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook very well.
Can you cook many dishes?
No, I can't.
What dishes can you cook?
I can cook noodles and rice with chicken.
That sounds good. I like it fried.
I can make it fried and baked.
Can you speak more than one language?
Yeah. I can speak Vietnamese and English.
How about Chinese?
No, I can't.
How well can you speak them?
I can speak them very well.
Great. Can you show me, please?
People always ask me that.
Yeah. I get it. Don't worry.
Can you go to the next question?
Sure. Can you jump?
Sure. I can jump.
All right. And how high can you jump?
I can't jump very high, it's very difficult.
Okay. Can you sing?
I can sing. But not very well.
Do you often sing?
Not often.
So, can't you sing?
All right, then. I can't sing.
Okay. Tell me. Can you dance?
I'm not sure about that.
What do you mean, you're not sure?
I don't know.
Can or can't you dance?
I can dance, but just rock music.
Can you dance salsa or any other music?
No, I can't dance Latin music.
Can you repeat, please?
I can't dance Latin music.
All right, thank you.
But, I can dance rock and pop.
That's not exactly.
Oh, all right, then.
Another one. Can you draw?
I like drawing, but I can't. I can paint.
Where do you paint?
I usually paint at home.
How well can you paint?
Pretty good.
Excellent. I can't paint anything.
I can teach you, if you want.
Really? Can you do that?
Of course, I can.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
Next question, can you read fast?
Sure, I can do it.
How fast can you read?
I can read a book in a week.
I can read 2 books in a week.
Really? I can't do that.
But a book a week is good too.
I can try to do that.
Sure. Try it. It's funny.
I'll do it. Thanks.
Can you write very well?
No, I can't.
Why can't you do that?
I don't usually write anything.
But, you can write, can you?
Of course, but not very well.
Oh, I get it.
I could write in the school.
I remember that. You were good at writing.
I was, but not anymore.
All right. Can you drive a car?
I can drive a car.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I do. So, I can drive a car.
I didn't know you had a car.
Well, my father bought it for me.
I see. But you can drive it.
Absolutely. I can drive it very well.
I can't drive a car. You know?
Don't you have a car?
No, I don't. But my sister has one.
Would you like to learn?
Of course, I'd love it.
I can teach you if you want.
Really? When can you teach me?
I'm not sure.
Can you make it this weekend?
I don't think so.
Can you make it next weekend?
I can't make it. Sorry.
When can you teach me?
The next month, I have some time.
Can you make it the last Sunday?
Sure. That's good for me.
Great. I really appreciate it.
Don't worry about that, my friend.
Thanks. Can you drink alcohol?
No, I can't, you know that.
Sorry. I forgot.
Don't worry, but I can't.
I see.
Is that all, then?
Yeah. Can you sign here, please?
Sure, I can do it. Give me your pen.
Here you are.
Okay. It's done. It was interesting.
Thank you. Can you please write your name?
Oh, sorry. I didn't see it.
That's okay. Just write it here.
Great, now it's done.
All right. I really thank you for your time.
My pleasure. See you.
See you. Take care.
I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment. Take care.